Okay, so now what I want to do is go back to the Angular code, and let's close this web request interceptor, and let's close this auth service. And what I want to do actually is to now create the sign up. So currently we have just the user login and not sign up. So that is something we have to create now. So what I'm going to do is go to the terminal and create a new sign up component. And then we're going to call this pages slash sign up. So slash sign up page. Great. Okay, so we now have the sign up page here. Let's go into the HTML. And actually, the first thing we want to do is go to the routing module. So routing module, and we can create the sign up route. So let's copy this login route, and let's change this to sign up. Sign up page component. There we go. Let's save this now, and that should be it. So close the app routing module, and we can now go back to the app and do slash sign up. And there we go. We get this sign up page works, so that's good. Now let's go to the sign up page, and let's go to the login page, and let's just copy and paste this because most of it is very similar. And let's see how it looks. Okay, we get this. We don't get the login box, and that's because we want to create a sign up box. However, we will be having the same styling, so it doesn't make sense to create another class for this. So we can just call this white box and save this now, and do the same with the login page, white box. And let's go to the styles, and let's change this to white box. Let's cut this, and let's move this to global styles. So that is in main styles.css. Save that now, and we can now close this and go back to the sign up page. And let's actually go to the app and let's see how it looks. So that is how the sign up page looks. Great. Let's go back to the code and let's change this to sign up. So what we want to do now is actually go to the API and look at the user model, and let's see what fields we have. So we just have the email and password, so that is actually all we need. So that is literally all we need here. So we can actually change this method name. So we'll call this on sign up clicked, and that's all we have to do there. Change the text of this button to sign up. Save that, and then go to the TypeScript file, and we can create that method. But what I actually want to do is go to the login page and just copy this and paste it in the sign up page class, and just change this. And let's import HTTP response. And let's import the auth service. We have to actually inject it here. So private auth service, which is of type auth service, and import that here. Okay, so that's what we have to do there. We actually have to change this to sign up. So let's change that to sign up, and then let's go to the auth service, and let's create the sign up method. So let's go to login. Where's login? Here. Okay, so let's just copy and paste this and change the name to sign up. This.webservice.login. And then we have to go to the web service now and do the same thing. So we can copy the login method and change it to sign up, and then do /users/ so this will just do post /users. Great. And it will pass in the email and password. Perfect. Okay, so let's save this now, and let's go back to auth service. This.webservice.signup. Sign up. Okay, and we are piping and sharing replay. and we're getting the response, and we're then setting the session, perfect, and we are then saying successfully signed up, and now logged in. Okay, great. So that's it. Now we can see if this works. So let's go to the app, and we have the sign up form here. And one thing I would like to do is just change this. So let's go back to the sign up component, and let's just put a space here, and let's put a space here as well. Okay, save that and go back. Great, that looks better. And let's try and create a new account. New account at test.com, and put in the password of hello world. Click sign up. Okay, successfully signed up and now logged in. Great. And we get a status 200. That looks really good. And we get the body here as well. That's awesome. So let's go to /lists now. Okay, and we have no lists, which is good because we've just created this new account. Let's create a new list, and let's call this, this is a new list for a new account. Let's click create. And there we go, we have this new list. That's amazing. Let's create a new task as well. This is a new task. Click create, and we have that new task here, which is really good. We aren't getting... There we go. Okay, so we get this new task, which is great. And now users have the ability to sign up. Great. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to be able to update and delete tasks and lists. So that's what we are going to do now.